Hey makers, are you ready to unleash your creativity and build amazing things? Then get ready to meet the Two Trees TT6050 500W CNC router machine. This isn't just another CNC router. The TT6050 is packed with features that will blow you away. First, its massive 600 by 500 by 100 millimeter work area gives you the space to tackle even the most ambitious projects. Imagine carving intricate designs, creating custom furniture, or even making your own personalized gifts, all with pinpoint accuracy thanks to its high-precision linear guide drive and ball screw system. Safety is paramount, and the TT6050 has you covered. The infrared beam sensor automatically stops the machine if anything obstructs its path, while the spindle stop button lets you safely change tools in seconds. But that's not all. This machine is incredibly versatile. It's compatible with the Two Trees TC20 laser module sold separately, expanding your creative possibilities even further. Plus, 65mm and 69mm fixtures allow for custom upgrades like a trimmer, giving you ultimate control over your projects. Its sealed design protects the internal components from dust and debris, ensuring a long lifespan and reliable performance. The robust aluminum construction and durable MDF board ensured this machine can handle years of use. From wood and acrylic to aluminum and even stainless steel, the TT6050 can handle it all. It's compatible with popular software like ArtCam, Fusion 360, and Easel, making it easy to bring your designs to life. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to upgrade your workshop. This level of precision and versatility at this price point is rare. We're offering a limited-time discount, so act fast. Click the link in the description below to order your Two Trees TT6050 CNC router machine today. Unleash your inner maker and start creating. Limited stock available. Don't wait.